Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Applewiz. In today's video, we're going to see how you can delete photos and videos from your iCloud. Well, it is quite a simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing to do is simply open your settings, and on your settings, now tap on your account. So after tapping on your account here, you can get the option of iCloud. Tap on iCloud, and from here you can see all of the applications right here. Tap on photos. So after you've tapped on photos, here you can see I can't even sync this iPhone with my iCloud because my iCloud is full. So in order to manage your storage, simply tap on manage storage. And after doing that, so from here, if you simply just tap on turn off and delete photos, all of your photos will be deleted from your iCloud. But if you tap on view iPhone storage just like this, now you can tap on photos from here. And then you can see there are the recommendations right here. So there's the recommendation of recently deleted album to be empty. So if you want your recently deleted to be all empty, you can simply just tap on empty and delete recently deleted album just like this. Tap on delete from this iPhone, and here you can see now your recently deleted album has successfully been all deleted from your iCloud. And here you can see the option of review your videos. If you tap on this option just like this, all of your videos will be open. That has consumed a huge amount of storage on your phone. So if you want to delete any of these photos, you can tap on this select option right here and simply tap on the videos that you want to get deleted just like this. And in order to delete it, you can simply just tap on this dustbin icon that you can see on the bottom right corner right here. So just like this, again, tap on delete from this iPhone, and like that you can delete the videos. And yeah, that is it. That is how you can delete photos and videos from your iCloud. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.